everyone! Today we'll guide you through the process of drawing a beautiful landscape scenery step by step. Perfect for kids and beginners, this tutorial will help you create a stunning outdoor scene featuring mountains. Draw trees on both sides of the mountains. Start with simple triangle shapes for trees and add details like branches and leaves. Above the horizon line, sketch the outline of the mountains. Add some peaks and valleys to make them look realistic. Draw a winding river starting from the horizon line and curving down towards the bottom of the paper. Make sure it narrows as it goes into the distance. Enjoy creating your beautiful landscape scenery. Light blue color. color.
A is for apple, apple. B is
Brown
for
color.
ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat,
Green color.
goat. H is for hand, hand. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mat, mat. N is for net, net. O is for orange, orange. P is for pet, pet. Q is for queen,
Blue color.
queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for toad, toad. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone.
Light green color.
Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you for next time. Goodbye.